Hello! In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the mop roller on your DREAME Aqua10 Ultra. Okay, so if you take the robot and flip it over, I'll turn it off actually by pressing and holding on the power button, of course, right here. Then if you take it, you can see there's the roller, and you may want to replace it because you should every 3 to 6 months. So let's do it. In order to do it, you'll need to unlock this orange button by sliding it towards the back of the robot. It's great to use 2 fingers because you may need to use quite some force. So I'll do it. Okay, now the button pops out and you can slide out the whole mop. In order to do it, make sure not to pull on the button because it seems rather fragile. I prefer to put my finger here, as you can see in the center of the mechanism, and pull it out. Now you can take off the mop roller and apply a new one. I'll apply the same one, but of course you can get a new one. That's what you should do. But also you may want to clean it. You may also want to clean it here by using the brush included in the box, but also on the other side of that brush you can use a knife cutter to cut some excess hair wrapped around those rolling parts, which may occur. Then let's apply it. Just slide the roller right on. As you can see, it rotates. Let's put it on. Now, to put it on, you can see there's this metal part on the inside here, and it has to go into this metal part. So make sure you put it in this orientation and not this one. Let's slide it in. Make sure that as you're sliding, the end part, this part with the button, is already properly aligned to make the sliding easier. Because having it properly aligned really makes it much easier, although it's not that easy anyway. Okay. Sometimes when it's really difficult, you may want to slightly rotate the roller so the square hole can fit the square pole. Okay, now it went in. The last thing is to push the button until it clicks. You may need to use some force. Then it's done. And your robot is ready to go. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.